Hi everyone, I am Nanda Sendur from Tab Becomes A section. I am going to present business model canvas. It is the biggest company, yeah, it is Adidas. History of Adidas. Adidas AG is a German multinational corporation. In 21st century, it was the largest sportswear manufacturer in Europe, the second largest after Nike in the world. Logo from 1924 to 2021. Founder Adolf Dassler was the founder of Adidas. It was founded on August 18, 1949, launched in 2004. Impossible is Nothing is one of the company's most memorable companies. A few years later, Adidas launched a basketball specific campaign, Believe in 5 for the 2006 to 2007, and in 2011 Adidas is all in become the global marketing strategy slogan for Adidas. The slogan aimed to tie all brands and labels together, presenting a unified image to consumers interested in sports, fashion, street music, and pop culture. There appears to be connection with the pairs all in meaning expressed in some English speaking nation. In 2015, Adidas launched creating the new as its new strategic business plan until 2020. This plan has three strategic choice: speed, cities, and open source. Here we see the bar diagram of net sales worldwide from 2000 to 2020. Here we see that during 2000 the net sale is 5.835. From 2000 to 2005 the net sale is moderate. From 2006 to 2012 the net sale was increasing. By the time of increasing, the net sale suddenly declined compared to the previous year. From 15 to 19, the net sale was increasing highly compared to those years. Suddenly, during 2020, the net sale became low. This slide represents the current price of GDP from 2004 to 2024. This diagram tells us the current price will be increasing in upcoming years. Adidas AG annual and quarter net income. Adidas AG net income for the quarter ending June 13, 2021 was $0.478 b, a 247.26% decline year over year. Adidas AG annual net income for 2020 was $0.493 b, a 77.7% decline from 2019. Adidas AG annual net income for 2019 was $2.213 b, a 10.1% increase from 2018. Adidas AG annual net income for 2018 was $2.01 b, a 62.11% increase from 2017. Adidas sponsorships: football, cricket, rugby, tennis, lacrosse, gymnastics, skateboarding, basketball, top football clubs. Adidas business model. Key partners: three fundamental units: Adidas Salmon, tailor made Adidas Golf, Adidas having sporting goods, especially track, soccer, etc., which cover mainly footwear and clothing. Salomon, having sporting goods specially for winter sports. Tailor made, having sporting goods specially for Gulf product. Services, technology, systems, general maintenance, fixed cost assets. And key activities: innovation, develop new product with new characteristics. Strategy, execution, customer service, because retailers are a critical element in the value chain in the sporting goods industry. Key resources: manufacturers, financing, human capital. Value proposition, the vision for the company, offering the best and broadest portfolio of sports brands in the world, specially products for different sports and different characteristics of innovations, capable of having a high quality and a wide differentiation. Scope of the market: diversification of product, which includes new customers and in turn an expansion for the company. And customer locality: contract with athletics, greater customer number. Customer locality, marketing strategies, contract with athletics, greater customer number. High quality standards, which are overseen by quality departments. Marketing strategies: promotions, advertising campaigns, channels, direct sales, internet sales, revenue streams, sales, the sales of the product as strong flow of income. Method of payment: credit and debit. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.